Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman, and today we'll be reading Not All Sheep Are Boring by Bobby Moynihan and Julie Rowan Zoch. Please enjoy. Not all sheep are boring. People count sheep to fall asleep, but not all sheep are boring. I can prove it. For example, this is Alice. Alice has a jetpack and a helmet. Because Alice is smart and cool. See, a sheep with a jetpack. Alice is not boring. This is Julie. Julie likes dancing, drinking coffee in the morning, then drinking more coffee later in the afternoon. I don't think Julie is boring in the slightest. I love Julie, and Julie loves coffee. This guy right here is Mike H. Mike H really enjoys pickles. That's it, just pickles. Boring, you say? Did I tell you Mike H likes to eat pickles while sitting in a big wet boot? This is Quinn. Quinn owns several large hats. What else? Oh, Quinn enjoys a slight wind and also standing. That's cool, right? Just standing there. Definitely not boring in any way, right? This is Gary. Gary doesn't know what pasta is. Gary's not boring. Gary is weird. And being weird is amazing. Weird is not boring. Look who it is. It's Marnie. Marnie thinks it's rude to chew with your mouth open. Please don't be rude, please. Marnie's right. Way to be, Marnie. Standing up for your right. You think it's right is not boring. Guess what? Dan keeps bees. Is that boring? I added 3 whole explanation points to it. Sound more fun. Too much? Bees are awesome, right? Wait, maybe it's Dan who's boring. I blame Dan. Not actually size. Woo-ya, woo-ya, woo-ya. What in the who is this now? Well, oh, wow. She seems very not boring. She seems like a lot of fun. Wait a second. Zip. Never mind, not a sheep. What if I told you that Kate was the first sheep to ever prance on the moon? Would you think that Kate was boring? You wouldn't. Great. But if I told you that, I would be fibbing. Kate has only pranced on Earth, but maybe someday. Oh boy, it's Pyrie. Pyrie has secrets. Say hi to Jessica. Jessica used to date Gary, the sheep from before. You didn't know what pasta was, but they broke up. Not because he was boring, because Jessica loves pasta. But not all sheep are Gary. And there's Steve. Woof. Steve's not gonna lie. Steve is a little boring. Greener grass. Steve's making me kind of tired. Can you at least try not to be boring, Steve? No, Steve, woof. Steve is very boring, but just because Steve's extremely boring, always remember that doesn't mean that all sheep are. Not all sheep are. Well, are sheep boring, people? Let me know if sheep are boring to you. Or have you seen a sheep and are they boring? Let me know with a thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give it a thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other people here to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a book reading, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman, and this book reading's over. Have a good one, and thanks for watching, everybody.